Yet another wonderful vid. In this, we are going to see the schools in the pool. You must be wondering right now, all these videos are very bare bones. I am just introducing the concepts and then I started digging deeper into the internet. I'm not right now teaching you the nitty gritty basics of how to make money. No, I am trying to pique your curiosity so you can go out and start searching, become more interested in understanding the market. This is one of the most important activity a person who wants profit has to do. A trader, whether he is a technical trader or a quantitative trader or a fundamental investor, has to do this. He has to search information. He has to understand how that information is going to modify the future, how that information is going to change the price from the present when you become more adept at sensing the market sentiment. That's when you will get gravitated towards one particular school of trading. You might wonder, what is technical trading? What's quantitative trading? Come on, I know Warren Buffett. He is the best fundamental trader in the world. Believe me, there are much more bigger and better traders in the world apart from Warren Buffett. And they make a lot more money than he does right now. He might be the world's biggest billionaire. But the money market sharks and the money market whales, they are not one person. They are one whole group of people who carry a huge amount of power. This segregation of power is something that you and I have to understand as we enter into this forest. We need to be humbled by that power. At the same time, you need to also feel proud that you are free from all their restrictions that the country and the regulators place on these big powers. Second is the quantitative traders. Quantitative traders use computers. They use statistics, they use probability, they use a lot of details about volatility. In fact, they use these things and share the information all out to us also. Even today, you can go to the internet and understand how the foreign investors are investing in this market, how the domestic investors are getting out of the market. Is to know how to use the data. And this is a vid that is explaining or pushing you towards understanding how to use the data. Finally, comes the fundamental trader. He is the most relaxed kind. He is very confident. He doesn't care what the technical traders or the quantitative traders think. He knows where the price is going to be in a year, in 2 years, in 5 years. He knows it through the fundamental analysis of the company. You might be wondering what that means. Fundamental analysis is very, very simple. You take the sales a company does, called the revenue in the income sheet. That revenue can be extrapolated for every year. Every sales manager gets a target to achieve the sales. This target depends on how much the company wants to grow. Do you see how the sales revenue target of a company decides how it is going to do in the future? If you can get hold of that sales revenue target, if you can rationally think whether that sales revenue target can be met by the company with the existing competitive forces, with the existing market situation, all this analysis is done by the fundamental investor. Looks daunting, however, it's one of the most rewarding and interesting way to look at a company. Look at a company as an individual. You will see how the individual is going through his life, improving step by step. You will not look at a company as an entity which has no face. You will look at it as a child who is growing, who is given the resources, who is given competitive forces from outside the market, and then decide whether the child is going to become an adult and then thrive in the market. That is what the fundamental trader does. You see, these three schools of trading is not separate. All these three schools work together. In fact, they move the money from one school to the other school regularly. And in the end, one school wins. And most of the time, from what I have seen, it is won by the fundamental traders. Yeah, they do a lot of work. It doesn't mean that the technical traders and the quantitative traders are any lower. They too win their fair share. Now you might be wondering, If all three are winning their fair share, then who is losing? You guessed it right. Trader who is entering into the market without understanding that market and trading is much more complicated than being a brain surgeon is the one who is losing. He doesn't realize that when he's going and investing in a mutual fund, when he's going to try technical trading, when he is trying fundamental trading without a proper understanding of what is the market doing or the company doing, he ends up in a lot of trouble. In fact, there are accounts get trampled by these three schools of traders. They don't want to take your money away. You are giving it to them. You are giving it to them. Realize this first. It is your responsibility to safeguard yourself. And it is my responsibility to tell you how to take responsibility, how to be bold, how to remove the fear as the market takes the money away from you, but still hold it so that you can take the money away from the market later. It is possible. Imagine the money pouring into your account.